Hello and welcome to day 21 of 30 days of JavaScript. Let's start. Chunk array. Okay, my layout has changed. Okay, I think in last video I did change it a bit. Yeah. What is this plus? Okay. Okay, we'll use that for coding now. A bit late, but still. Given an array ARR and a chunk size, return a chunked array. Okay. A chunked array contains the original elements in array but consists of sub-arrays of length size. Okay. So basically you are dividing the array into whatever size you have mentioned. I think we can directly go here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the array and size 1. So it has now sub-arrays of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These are 5 sub-arrays. Okay. If 19632 size is 3, so first will be 196, second will be 32, makes sense. 85326 size is 6, so it is one single subarray. Okay, in this case also it should be a subarray only. Okay, if the array is empty, return. Great. So yeah, it should be pretty straightforward. Okay, first thing that I know here is we should not iterate over each and every item here. Just because we know that size is consistent, so we'll use that to our advantage. Let's start. If array dot length array equal to null or array dot length equal to 0 or size is less than equals to 0. In all these cases, we don't want to do anything, so it's an empty array, return empty array. Great. Now, in other cases, we want to split this, right? So let's do simple. I think simple for loop should be sufficient. For let I equals to 0, colon I less than array dot length. Let me use this spacing. Colon I equals to I plus size. Yes, because how should I? Okay, I don't know how to go to that. I think yeah. So I'm increasing the size directly because what we need in these kind of things is zeroth index is important. Okay. Then second index is also important because of this, right? Then third index is important and last index is also important. 9 is not important to us. So we are skipping it for whatever size we have. Okay. So I'll have to create an array also. Let chunked chunc chunked array equals to empty array. Okay. And let me expand this now. If it is an empty array, we want to create small parts of this main array, right? So const or let sub array equals to array dot, we can use something called a slice. Okay, in this we can mention two, single index also works, but we have to mention two index because we have to mention from which size to which size we have to break, like 0 to 3, 4 to 6, sorry, 0 to 2, 3 to 5, if the size is 3, right? So what we'll use is we'll use I and I plus size. So first time, let me write it here. For I equals to 0, we will have size is 3. If size is 3, then this will be 3. So 0 to, I think there might be some mistake. We might have to reduce 1 from this. We might need to reduce 1 from this, but I'm not worried about that. Let's create the chunk array and submit it. If there is any issue, we just, I know whenever there is something like minus or something like that, I don't worry about that a lot, just because it's pretty straightforward sometimes. Return, I've written it incorrectly, it is not a function. Let me run this, reduce size again. and all these passed. So we don't need to reduce anything. So that means slice doesn't capture the last index. So if you have mentioned 0 to 3, the resultant array will contain 0 index, 1 index, and 2 index. It won't contain the third index, which is correct, logical also. Great, let's submit this and see. I think that, okay, still 40%. So let's see the best answer. Best answer is exactly same. Let's see something else. It's still same. So all of these are actually same. No issues. That's it. Do like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.